Good morning, guys. Today we are going to be vlogging. So we are going to go to the beach today for the day. We're getting a little bit of a late start. It's about 8:30 and we're going to go to one of my favorite bookstores down at the coast, and I guess you get to follow me around for today. And also get to a little bit of a reading vlog. So this is the book I'm currently reading. I snuck an extra book in for this month. I'm on page 317, so I'm almost done with this one. So we will do a reading check-in later. Okay, check in after breakfast. We finally made it to the beach. We are at Boiler Bay State Park. As you can see, the ocean is behind me. It's so pretty here. This is one of my favorite places to be. Being at the coast is like my favorite place ever. Reading updates. I come prepared to bring my book in my bag. On page 350 or so. So, yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. Okay, enjoy the view. Now that we're done hanging out here, we're gonna go to the bookstore, which is pretty awesome. So, alright, we'll check in a little bit. Hi guys, we are going to one of my favorite bookstores of all time. It is called Beach Reads in Lincoln City. So let's go!
course you did.
You know, I'm a problem.
We're gonna be here for hours.
Actually, there's one of them.
Finding one of them right off the bat? What?
There's a book.
One book down, 10 more to go. So many rows and rows and rows of books. I see you found 2 and now 3. Were those all on your list or are those extras?
Oh no, these are all on my list. These 2 are used, so
Oh,
they're half the price that I was looking at.
nice price. I definitely like the space change.
Yeah. So these guys used to be in the building next door, and they moved sometime.
It's very small and cramped in the other store, especially when they had all the bookshelves piled in such a small location.
Yeah.
But now that they've changed it, they widened it up, there's so much more light in here. Makes it look so much better. Oh god, more that's not on your list.
We knew
So
this
you-
was gonna be a problem.
Yeah, we did. So you found one book, but you're not gonna get it
Because it'll mess up my collection.
because it's a hardback,
Uh-huh.
not a paperback.
Yeah, and it's the last book in the series.
First world problems at its finest.
Book reader problem.
I leave you alone for 5 minutes. How many do you have now?
6.
6.
And one was unplanned.
Of course it was.
I may put one of these back to get something else.
Let's be honest, no you won't.
Maybe.
Probably not. Space opera?
Yeah. This one is about some humans that finally get access to other beings in the universe. And, you know, humans want to fight other aliens. They're past that. And they have a singing competition, much like Eurovision.
Oh god. Alien Eurovision.
Pretty much.
Oh jeez. I don't know if we're in frame or not, but we'll find out in post-editing.
Yeah. I got 7 books, and I'll do a book haul later because the car is really crowded and I don't really want to do that in the car. But I got some really good books that I think I'm gonna really end up liking, so yeah. Alrighty. We'll check in later. I don't know when.
Bye.
Hey guys, we just got done eating at a buffet at one of the casinos on the coast. Oh my god, I ate so much food, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. So, it's been a very long day. It's
5:15.
It's 5:15. We're gonna go back up to the front of the casino, pick everybody else up, and then we're gonna head home. I will do a book haul with all the stuff that I got later. I'll check in later. Hey guys, so we just got home, and the day at the beach was super fun. I have my books that I got from the bookstore here and a book haul for you. Hey guys, so here is my book haul. So this is the stack of books that I got. The first book I got is Spider's Trap. The second book I got was Bitter Bite. So this is book 13 and 14 in the Elemental Assassin series. The next book I got was Besieged. This is the short story compilation that goes with the Iron Druid Chronicles series. I was gonna get the last book in the series, Scourged, but the only copy they had was a hardback, and it would not match the rest of my books. As you can see over here in this stack right here, they're all paperbacks, so don't mind all the stuff in the background. I'm moving stuff out of the way. So, got this one instead, which is kind of nice because I needed it anyway. The next book I got was Tricks for Free. This is book number 7 in the Encrypted series, so that should be really fun, and I kind of missed this series, so can't wait to get into this one. Sorry if my voice is super scratchy. Next up is Souljacker. This is the first book in a new series by Yasmin Gilnor, and she's one of my favorite authors. This one is also, I think, more indie published, so that's kind of cool. And I love her writing style, so I can't wait to get into this book. The next one that I got is the paperback version of Conjuring of Light, and as some of you guys have probably remember from one of my last videos, I said I needed to get the last book in this series, and I finally did, so I can finally read the last book that I've been dying to read. So that'll be really fun. And the last book that I pick up is Autonomous. So this is one that I did not plan on getting. This one just kind of caught my eye for the cover. It's really interesting artwork, and this is a sci-fi one having to deal with like robots being enslaved or something, and it just seems really cool. I have felt like I needed more sci-fi in my life, so this one should be pretty interesting. Last couple of things, I got a couple of cute new little dragon figurines. Cute little steampunk one. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you for joining us on our vlogging adventure today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to follow me on social media, check out my links down in the description. Alrighty, bye guys!